Welcome to my channel, you guys. Sorry for the delay. I've been really busy. Good news, I passed the RHCSA exam. It was really difficult, but I made it through. Today we're going to go over bash scripting, different formats, the variables, loops, and the environment for the bash script. So in bash scripting, you would have to put the format for the bash script at the top, pound exclamation and the path. You can do bin bash or user bin bash or environment bin bash. Either one of those would work. The best one I would use is bin bash. So here we're defining the variable threshold to see the threshold for the amount of disk space we'll have before the script complains, oh, the disk space is too high. And then we're running the command dfh to view the disk space usage for all the disks on the system in human readable format. So we get to work on functions now. So we're going to use this function to be called throughout the script to make sure we're not duplicating efforts and actually repeating different commands. When you can use the function and just type the function and call the function throughout the script, which is a lot easier. So we're gonna go over if then statements. So if this statement is true or false, we'll do this and that, and then that'll be in the function. Um, Yeah, when it's called, it'll go through those steps of that function. Whenever you call that function out after declaring that function. Wow, so we get to make the script executable throughout the function. Oh, that's cool. So throughout this function, we're going to run the script again. So to run the script, you do period forward slash and then the script name, or you can use a full path and then without the period and forward slash. Syntax errors. That'll mess my system up. So syntax errors are when the formatting of your script is incorrect. Incorrect. It's not computing properly. It's not processing the script because it's either you're missing some parentheses, some exclamation points, some closed quotes or open quotes. Usually that's the main thing. That's what usually for me at least. Most of the coders as well. Um, I would say just to review your script very well, because especially if it's not a long script, because that means you definitely made some mistakes somewhere. Re-review it. Make sure you have all your ending quotes. Look at the output error. Look at the line. Look at other lines as well to see if you did everything properly. Let's clean this script up with syntax errors and logical errors. Make sure the script runs properly and do what we're intending it to do. Yeah, let's make this fun. Top and bad scripts. Let's go. So breaking the script down to each error and commenting the rest out is the best way to go to make sure you know where the script is failing at and to keep continue from there and keep opening up the pound and commenting uncommenting out the other part of the script to make sure it runs smoothly. And it just diagnosing the root cause of the problem. So breaking it down, find locating each problem, divide and conquer, you know? Here I'm going to create a disk space script, bash script using user bin bash as an environment variable. I'm going to use an if then statement to create my case for the evaluation. And then I'm going to create the directories. And then I'm going to run through the script and troubleshoot if
issues arise. So I'm actually going to create further the script and create more, um, add more content to the script. I'm going to copy log files, move them to a destination directory, delete old log files, and create a log, a logger, if you would say. So I'm going to complete the script. It's a little bit of debugging I have to do, syntax errors or logical errors, but let's keep going. This is how you win. I'll update as well. I did pass my RHCE exam, which was a lot of work. It was tough, but I held through. I kept going. I was persistent. Thank you for support and never give up. Thank you for watching my video and to the completion of it. And thank you. Please subscribe. I'll create more content. I'm very consistent. I'll be consistent. Subscribe to my channel, African Admin. Use my links to get discount codes and vouchers, referral codes for discounts on vouchers as well.